So with the Clear Vue Mini, we're going to basically be taking all of the material that would normally go into your shop vac and put it into a 5-gallon bucket or an auxiliary bucket if you want to put it on a 55-gallon drum or whatever kind of drum you want. So we're going to use this as the motor source and to keep that filter clean. And then, so we're going to basically hook up where you would suck up the material from your shop vac. That goes in there, and we're going to put it in the top of the Mini like so. Okay? This is your intake. This is where you'll take and hook up to your tools or your floor sweep or whatever you want to suck up. So we have cleaned out this filter and the shop vac so you guys can actually see how clean it is before we start and how clean it will be after we fill it. We have a full bucket of material right here that we're going to suck the whole unit right up here. You'll be able to see this go through the cyclone, and you'll see how clean the shop vac will stay when we're finished. Okay, so let's go see what the shop vac looks like right now. Okay, take this off. Pull this out of here. And that's why you need a Mini. And as you can see, I'll pop the lid off here. There's your material. Nothing.